Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am once again with my new YouTube video. Uh, in today's video, we are going to talk about how we can manage different size of different resolution images in our Flutter applications. So currently you are seeing a screen that has my emulator and a IDE. So currently I'm running an image that has a Twitter icon. So you can see over here this icon is a bit blurry, and we want to have a clear picture of this icon, Twitter icon, or any other kind of image or any other kind of icon. We can use SVG images, but they don't work all the time, so we might have to switch over PNGs once again. So how we can use PNGs effectively in our Flutter application, and to have different resolutions and to run it in our Android Flutter application. So yeah, so let's get started. So firstly, if you already know about images, how to use it in a Flutter application, you already have idea how to define them in a path to the pubspec.yaml file. So we have already defined our path to the images. This is the directory I have images, and it inside it I have ic underscore twitter.png image that is currently running over here. So we are going to now take 1x 2x and 3x images. So this default image is a 1x image. So we are going to now take 2x and 3x images of the same icon from my Figma, and from my, not mine, but our icons Figma that is free, and you can use it for in your project as well. So over here, like I'm going to export this icon in two more different variants, that is 2x and 3x. So you have to select this icon, and then let me just show you, like you have to choose 2x and 3x. Just click on export icon, set your path, and just save over here. So we will now get our images over here. As you can see, one is a icon that is equivalent to this image. Second one is this, much more clear, and the last one is this one. So it all has a different resolutions, 1x 2x and 3x. So we are going to check how we can use these images. So firstly, we are going to create two directories, separate directories in this images package. Let's create them. One is 2x and second one is 3x. So by default, um, whatever images are outside of these two packages or two directories is going to be as is going to act as a 1x image. So we don't need to have 1x package or directory specifically. So I'll yeah, and next I'm going to delete this icon, as these two icons images are same. So I'm just going to delete it. I'm going to move icon 2x to respective folder directory, and 3x icon to respective directory. Here we go, and let's just change the name. First copy over here, and yeah, just change the name, and same goes here over here, change the name. So we have defined we have put our images over here in these directories. Now we have to again set the path to have to set our path over here in pubspec.yaml file. What we are going to do, we are going to add images, then 1x images, then 2x. Sorry, we don't need 1x, and 3x. We are going to get pub get file. So it's successful. Now if we run it directly, it will throw an error because our images are, Flutter is already, my application is already running, so it will not have these resources available in the current running debug build. So hot reload and hot restart will not work immediately. Let me show you how. Here we go. So you can see no file or variants found for assets images 2x, and so it won't look for 3x images at all. If I do this, let me just, I remove 2x and ask for a 3x directly. uh, let's check for it if it works or not. See, it is throwing me error for the 3x image. So let's undo it. Let's get the pub get. Let's get the new versions of this pubspec.yaml file. Uh, We are going to stop our application and rerun it from the scratch. So meanwhile, our application is going to run. We are going to use, over here, we already have images.asset file. So see, we don't need to have explicitly defined the path as 1x or 2x or 3x, like images slash 1x, 2x, or 3x. Flutter by default check for this path, um, looking for device pixel ratio, and if device pixel ratio matches with the current images folder path having a 2x and 3x images, 2x and 3x directory, so it will automatically pick up from that images and will run it. Somehow we'll fill it, rerunning it. So let me show you how it works over here inside. I must have missed something in PubSpec YAML file. Yeah, I forgot to add a slash. Let's get it again. Put a pubget and then rerun it. So it will now work perfect. So inside our image asset class, what I'm going to look for is a device pixel ratio. See, you can check it, it is going to create a local image configuration, and it uses a device pixel ratio default asset bundle, like what is the bundle, and according to that, this device pixel ratio, it will pick up a 2x or 3x images. And you can see over here, if device pixel ratio is null, by default it will take a 1.0, that is this image, as a default image. So yeah, the app is still running. Yeah, hope it runs perfectly. Yeah, and as you can see over here, we have a really good resolution image without doing anything extra logic. You just have to define extra images over here, 1x, 2x, and 3x, and then you are good to go. You can use images really in an effective way, I would say, in your Flutter application. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. If you liked it, please do like this video, share it, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.